In this video, we're going to talk about what an asset is. So an asset is a resource owned by an individual, corporation, or country with the expectation that it will provide future economic benefits. So the very basic definition of an asset is a future benefit. So essentially, it's something that a company owns and we're going to utilize it for a benefit in the future. So essentially, the main thing is we're going to utilize assets to pay off our expenses and to generate revenues. So assets are essential elements in assessing an entity's financial health and performance. So essentially, the more assets that we have, the more healthier the company is set to be. And performance-wise, if we utilize our assets properly, such as our equipment, building, land, then we could drive up the performance of the company, right? So there are 5 key examples of assets, but these aren't just all the assets. So I'm gonna go into each one in more detail just to kind of give you a better understanding of what an asset is. So cash is a key asset because it's a future economic benefit for us because we can use cash to pay our employees, we can use cash to buy inventory, etc., etc. Then another key example of an asset is that of inventory. So inventory, so let's just say you're a merchandising company, and in a merchandising company, you buy inventory and you sell it for a markup. So an inventory is a future economic benefit because we can use inventory to earn profits. Now, land and equipment kind of go hand in hand, also building as well. Because let's just say hypothetically that we have a building and our building is situated on the land. And then we have equipment inside the building to help us produce our inventory. So let's just say instead of us being a merchandiser, now we're a manufacturer. A manufacturer actually buys raw materials and it produces its own inventory and sells it for a profit. So these are all future benefits. Another example of a future benefit is that of a patent, because this derives us with an economic benefit to help us grow our business.